for you. For you.
Welcome back to another episode of The Growing Wallet, where we explore different ways to save, invest, and trade a little bit smarter. All right. Today we're diving into two exciting stocks that I think are pretty exciting right now. We got KULR and AISP, KULR Technology Group, and Airship AI Holdings. First up is KULR. Okay. KULR, they specialize in thermal solutions for batteries and electrical systems. They collaborated with NASA and are positioned in the rapidly growing space and technology sector. All right. KULR, that's a tongue twister. KULR stock surged yesterday 44.16%. And I want to say it closed at $2.07, which is, it's 52-week high is $2.64. Today, actually, I'll tell you right now, because it's pulled up. We're right now pre-market. It's about 7:31 Texas time. I'm in Dallas. It's trading right now about 280 is where it's at. Back and forth between 283 and 280 looks like. But guys, I mentioned this one maybe some days ago, and I said, hey man, this is one that maybe pay attention to, as well as the other one that we'll get to, AISP, the one I crashed out on. And I'm going to tell you, man, I think this is going to be, the volume skyrocketed 132 million shares, okay, from the average of 21 million, okay. The relative strength index, the RSI, okay, it stands at 79 right now. Okay, so the conditions a little bit overbought. The volume's high, the volatility's high. Okay, but at the end of the day, I still think that it's going to be a strong buy, especially for what it is that they do. Okay, so this is going to be good for quick moves today, or maybe even swinging it over into the next couple months or whatever have you. But at the end of the day, man, KULR, definitely someone to look at. I think today you're going to see them go up. They might hit $3.50, $4. But who knows? It could be a bunch of hype. I know I've taken my precautions and set my stop limits and things like that. So I'm already in profit with them from the position I'm holding. I bought a few shares yesterday. I don't know if you guys caught the video, but this was one of the stocks that I crashed out on. Went totally against the grain on my trading strategy. Bought a bunch of shares of it, and I don't advise doing that. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it kind of worked out for me, which leads me to my next one. It is Airship AI Holdings, AISP. Okay, this company, they leverage artificial intelligence for surveillance and data management solutions. They serve in sectors like military and commercial enterprises. Okay. So they climbed yesterday 14.24%. Not as big as a jump as the other stock that we just talked about, but one to pay attention to nonetheless. They closed at $3.61. And I know that definitely pre-market, I've been checking on them, and they're at like $4.14 or something like that. So definitely in the money with them. I crashed out with them yesterday too. But again, in the money with both of those trades, okay? And looking to take a little bit of profit or whatever have you, make our everyday investors $100 a day. That's our little goal that we got here going on the Growing Wallet. And so I'm really close to that goal, actually. With just those couple, that puts me at $78.30 today. So that's where we are right now. We'll see. We'll do a little update, see how that sticks. But so far, $78. We're up for the day, and we have a goal of $100 every day, $500 in a week, right? All right. Let's see here. Their market cap right now sitting at 98.5 million. Okay. The takeaway on this is AISP's recent contract wins and their growth in AI-driven solutions are promising. Okay. Target suggests a potential upside of 149%. So it's worth watching. Okay. Definitely worth watching. But closing thoughts are this, okay? Both KULR and AISP are very intriguing stocks right now with compelling stories. KULR's focus on thermal management and space technology aligns with future forward industries, while AISP and their AI driven solutions cater to other critical sectors. As always, do your diligence and consider your risk tolerance for these types of investing or investments. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, this was an impromptu show. I wanted to kind of get ahead of things before the market opens up for you guys. As we go forward and get a little bit more along with the show and what we're doing, you'll see that I'll just get on here sometimes, man, and hey, I'm a freestyle it for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all, what y'all need, what I think y'all need, so you can take advantage of these big wins and things like that as well. All right. And as always, thanks again for watching. I'm Mr. Christian. This is the Growing Wallet. I appreciate it.